making cookies in the kitchen today. One of my favorite days.
I know, and these are our dream cookies. I've made them before, but I just love them. They're really good.
She loves the batter for them.
I know. I talked about that in the first segment. People probably think I'm nuts. And I do have probably, I don't know, I mean, a lot of guilty pleasures, I guess, but two are the cookie dough eating, and I eat ramen noodles, but I always call them ramen noodles. Yeah. And Spirit's like, that is so gross. I can't believe you eat those. It's so full of sodium. I'm like, those are just two things that I just love.
Let you have them.
I know.
It's fine to have a couple vices.
That's right. Yes. That's true.
Coffee's one of mine.
Nobody's perfect. So yeah, we're making our cookie dough. So I started with 2 sticks of butter. And then I added a cup of sugar, a cup of brown sugar, and our 3 eggs. Okay. So I'm just going to add a couple teaspoons of our vanilla extract.
So how much of this have you eaten?
Well, so far none. Okay. But when I prepared it at home, I told George, who we all know, you know, at Fox 10 loves dough like I do, and
we tend to call him Curious George.
Curious George is a perfect name for him. So earlier I told him that I ate so much cookie dough last night that I did in fact feel sick. So everybody, this is just a warning to be cautious, and I'm not encouraging, you know, eating raw eggs. So at your own risk.
Just a disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
But it's real good.
Yes. So, so that was the vanilla, and now we have 2.5 cups of flour. Okay. And I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in here. So we'll just add it a little bit at a time. And what we're going to add to these cookies later is the oats, just rolled oats, and then I'm going to do chocolate chips, pecans, and also some shredded coconut. And my brother-in-law, Gray, he's not a coconut fan, but he's had these cookies before and he really liked them. So it's not super heavy coconut, but it does give it a good flavor. And a lot of times I like to add dried cranberries or dried cherries to cookies. So that would go really well in here too.
So with these dream cookies, I'm getting the feeling that the reason they're called dream cookies is because there's so much goodness that goes in them.
Yeah, that's exactly right. I really just like these a lot. And I told you last week, I've just kind of been in the mood for comfort food. I made our chicken spaghetti last week. And then I was like, gosh, I don't know, I just want to kind of make some cookies. I mean, kids are out of school, and I mean, there's nothing more fun to do with kids than bake cookies. My boys have just gotten really interested, and anytime I'm in the kitchen, they want to come in and cook. And Jack in particular, he pushes a little stool over every time I'm in the kitchen and wants to get up and help. So it's really cute and fun, and I'm excited about them getting older now that we can bust out the aprons that y'all gave them.
Have to send us a picture.
Yes, I do need to take a picture. If everybody remembers when I was pregnant with the twins, Joe and Chastity and everybody at Studio 10 gave them the cutest aprons. They're blue and white seersucker, and they have red on them, and they have their names. And then when I was pregnant with Elle, she got an apron too. So hopefully, you know, at least one of the kids will enjoy cooking with me, and it's fun.
I'm sure all of them will, especially when they try these cookies.
I know.
So we're going to continue to work on this. We've got to get an update on the new Robert Still store too, so be sure to come back for the 3rd cooking segment. Lots to talk